Model 1035 Troubleshooting, Fixes and Tips. For Genie Model 1035 Troubleshooting, check the power source and ensure the garage door opener is properly aligned. Verify remote control batteries and inspect for any obstructions. The Genie Model 1035 garage door opener is a popular choice for homeowners seeking reliability and ease of use. Like any mechanical device, it can sometimes experience issues that require troubleshooting. Simple checks often resolve common problems, saving you time and money on professional repairs. Basic troubleshooting involves examining the power source, remote control, and door alignment. Understanding these fundamentals ensures your Genie Model 1035 operates smoothly. Regular maintenance and quick fixes can prolong the lifespan of your garage door opener. This guide provides straightforward solutions to keep your Genie Model 1035 functioning optimally. Genie Model 1035 Common Issues. Many homeowners face common issues with their Genie Model 1035 garage door opener. These problems can be frustrating. Let's explore and troubleshoot some of these issues. 1. Door not responding. 2. Remote control problems. Genie Model 1035 Basic Checks. When your Genie Model 1035 garage door opener stops working, basic checks can help. Let's start with the most common issues. Simple checks can often solve the problem. Below we discuss power supply and sensor alignment. 1. Power supply. 2. Sensor alignment. Genie Model 1035 manual operation. Sometimes, your Genie Model 1035 garage door opener might face issues. Knowing how to operate it manually can be helpful. This section covers how to use the emergency release and manually open the door. 1. Emergency release. 2. Manual door opening. Genie Model 1035 remote control fixes. Having trouble with your Genie Model 1035 remote control, this guide helps you fix common issues. Let's start with 2 main fixes: battery replacement and reprogramming remote. 1. Battery replacement. 2. Reprogramming remote. Genie Model 1035 sensor problems. Sensor problems can cause issues with your Genie Model 1035 garage door opener. Sensors ensure the door opens and closes safely. When sensors malfunction, your garage door may not work correctly. This blog post helps you identify and solve sensor problems. 1. Cleaning sensors. 2. Checking wiring. Genie Model 1035 motor issues. Having trouble with your Genie Model 1035, motor issues are common. They can disrupt your garage door's function. In this section, we will explore potential motor problems. 1. Motor noise. 2. Overheating. Genie Model 1035 track and hardware. The track and hardware of your Genie Model 1035 garage door opener are crucial. They ensure smooth operation and longevity. Regular maintenance can prevent many common issues. This section covers important aspects of maintaining the track and hardware. 1. Lubrication. 2. Tightening bolts. Genie Model 1035 Professional. Help dealing with a malfunctioning Genie Model 1035 garage door opener can be frustrating. Sometimes DIY troubleshooting may not fix the problem. In these cases, seeking professional help is the best solution. Expert technicians can quickly diagnose and repair issues, ensuring your garage door works smoothly again. 1. When to call a technician. 2. Finding local experts. Frequently asked questions. About Genie Model 1035. Why is my Genie 1035 not opening? Check the power source, remote batteries and alignment of safety sensors. How to reset Genie 1035 garage door opener. Press and hold the Learn button for 10 seconds to reset. What causes Genie 1035 to beep continuously? Continuous beeping may indicate a low backup battery or an obstruction in the door path. Why is Genie 1035 light flashing? Flashing lights usually signal a problem with the safety sensors or a misaligned door. How to program Genie 1035 remote. Hold the Learn button until the LED blinks, then press the remote button. Conclusion. About Genie Model 1035 troubleshooting. The Genie Model 1035 can save time and money. Follow the steps outlined for effective solutions. Regular maintenance ensures your garage door opener functions smoothly.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.